Hello everyone, welcome to ADRC World. Today I'm gonna show you all keyboard shortcuts of browser. When you are using your browser, then there are many things to do. To do this, we have two facility of shortcuts. We can use them to speed up our work. There are many shortcuts key in browser, which are mentioned in this video gonna cover. I will tell you in detail about all the shortcuts key used in the browser. So let's start. Shortcut keys save your time in doing your daily task. Google Chrome is one of the best internet browser which you can use to surf the internet, and it's considered very safe as compared to other browser. The shortcut key help a user to reduce the time and efforts which you can put in while computing a task on Chrome. In this video, we will learn about the different type of shortcuts key of browser. The first shortcuts key is tab and window shortcuts. In this type, the first shortcuts key is Ctrl with N. In all major internet browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera, pressing Ctrl with N open a new application window. As you can see here that only one window is open on the browser. Now we will press Ctrl with N. After using this shortcut key, a new window has been opened. Here two window show are happening. Now again press the Ctrl with N. Now three window are open here. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with N. This shortcut key open a new window in incognito mode. In incognito, none of your browser history, cookies and other data or information entered in your phone are saved on your device. This means your activity doesn't show up in your Chrome browser history. So people who also use your device won't see your activity. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with T. This shortcut key is used to open a new tab in browser. I am opening a website on the current tab, isro.gov.in. Now we are opening a new tab. For this we will use shortcut key. Press again Ctrl with T. We'll open spacex.com here. Next, again press Ctrl with T. nasa.gov. Next, again press Ctrl with T. global.gaxa.gp. Next, again press Ctrl with T. esa.int. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with T. This Chrome shortcut instantly closes the tab that's current open, the one you are currently seeing on your screen. And remember, if you close a tab by accident, you can always press Ctrl Shift with T to bring it back. Ctrl Shift with T is used for reopen previously closed tabs in the order they were closed. I am closing this tab. Now we want this tab back, so we will use this shortcut key. Press Ctrl Shift with T. Now I close SpaceX tab. Now we want this SpaceX tab back, so we press Ctrl Shift with T. Now SpaceX tab is back opened. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with Tab or Ctrl with Page Down. This shortcut key is used for jump to the next open tab in all major internet browser, for example Chrome, Edge, Firefox, IE, Opera. Pressing Ctrl with Tab switches between open tabs in your browser. For example, if you had 5 open tabs in your browser, you could press Ctrl with Tab to switch between each of those tabs. going left to right without using your mouse. As soon as we press Ctrl with tab, we will jump to the next open tab. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with tab or Ctrl with page up. This shortcut key is used for jump to the previous open tab. When we press Ctrl Shift with tab, then switch the previous tab. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with 1 to 8. This shortcut key is used for jump to a specific tab. When many tabs are open on the browser and we have to jump to a specific tab, then press any key from 1 to 8 with Ctrl. To understand this, I am opening some more tabs here. I am opening a website of cnsa.gov.cn. Next, en.roscomos.ru. Next, cnes.fr. Its default language is French. We can also change it. We will change it in English language. To do this, replace fr with en in the URL. We'll open the next tab and open dlr.de in it. Next tab, iafastro.org. If we want to jump to any of their tabs, then we'll press the Ctrl with any 1 to 8 key. If you want to jump on the first tab, then you will press the Ctrl with 1. To jump on the third tab, press Ctrl with 3. To jump to the fifth tab, press Ctrl with 5. To jump to the eighth tab, press Ctrl with 8. In this way, you can jump to any tab by using this shortcut key. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with 9. This shortcut key is used to go to the last tab from your currently open window. As soon as you press Ctrl with 9 on the browser, the last tab gets opened. We are on any tab. As soon as we press Ctrl with 9, we reach the last tab. Next shortcut key is Alt with left arrow. By using this shortcut, open the previous page from your browser history in the current tab. We'll open a new tab. Open spacex.com in it. Now NASA. And now global.gaxa.gp. Now after this, we will open ESA. Now we will use the shortcut key to go back to history. We'll press Alt with left arrow. Now we have to come back in history on this tab. We'll press again. Now again we have to come back in history on this tab. Press again. Now you have reached home page in this tab. Next shortcut key is Alt with right arrow. By using it, open the next page from your browsing history in the current tab. As soon as we press Ctrl with right arrow, we reach the next page of the browsing history on the current tab. As many times as you press Ctrl with right arrow, the next page of the browsing history will open. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with W or Ctrl with F4. This shortcut key is used to close the current tab. We will use this to close the tab. Press Ctrl with W. Now the tab is closed. On whatever tab we will use Ctrl with W, that tab will be closed. You can also do by using Ctrl with F4. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with W or Alt with F4. This shortcut key is used to close the current window. This time, we will not close one tab, but the whole window. To do this, you will use Ctrl Shift with W on the keyboard. On pressing it, the current window is closed. You can also use Alt with F4 to do this. Next shortcut key is Alt space then N. By using it, minimize the current window. Currently a window of the browser is open. We are going minimize it. To minimize it, press Alt with space. After the pressing the N key present on the keyboard, this window will be minimized as soon as you press. Next shortcut key is Alt with space, then X. By using it, maximize the current window. When the current window is to be maximized, press Alt with space, then press X on the keyboard. Next shortcut key is Alt with F, then X. This shortcut key is used for exit current window. After pressing Alt with F, then X, this window will exit. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with right arrow or Ctrl with left arrow. This shortcut key is used to right or left the keyboard focus. We are opening a website here, spacex.com. Click on Falcon 9. See here in URL. Now to focus anywhere in the URL, control right arrow or left arrow. See all shortcuts for tab and window so far. In this video, we will learn about the different type of shortcuts key of browser. The next type shortcuts key is browser feature shortcuts. Next shortcut key is Alt with F or Alt with E. This shortcut key is used for open the Chrome menu. To open the Chrome menu on the current window, press Ctrl with F. To do this, you can also use another shortcut key which is Alt with E. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with D. This shortcut key is used for bookmark the website. When we want to bookmark the website, then we use it. There is currently a tab of the SpaceX website open on our browser. We will bookmark it. So we will press the Ctrl with D on the keyboard. This will bookmark the current tab. We'll open a new tab. In this, you can see that SpaceX has been bookmarked here. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with B. By using this shortcut key, show or hide the bookmark bar. Any website is open on the current tab in the browser, and if the bookmark is to be show or hidden, then to do so use the Ctrl Shift with B shortcut key. As soon as you press Ctrl Shift with B, the bookmark will be show here, and when you press it again, the bookmark will be hidden. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with O. This shortcut key is used for open the bookmark manager. When we press Ctrl Shift with O, then bookmark manager is open. All bookmark sites show here. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with H. This shortcut key open the history page. When we want to open history page, then we press Ctrl with H on the keyboard. By pressing Ctrl with H, open the history page in the new tab. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with J. This shortcut key is used for open the download page in a new tab. This page shows all the download item on the browser. Next shortcut key Shift with Escape. By using this shortcut, open the Chrome Task Manager. When we use this shortcut key, a task manager window was opened. From here, you can end the process of any tab. Next shortcut key is Shift Alt with T. By using it, set the focus on the first item on the Chrome toolbar. Pressing Shift Alt with T in the browser, it has focus on the symbol of history back. You can see it on the left side of the URL. We'll open new tab. Now press Shift Alt with T. You can see here, currently focus on the first option named Reload. Next shortcut key is F10. This shortcut key set focus on the rightmost item on the Chrome toolbar. When we press F10, they focus on this item. I am showing you zoomed in. We'll press F10 again. Focus is on here. Next shortcut key is F6. By using this shortcut key, focus on URL bar. In addition, switch focus to unfocused dialog if showing and all toolbars. We press F6 to focus the URL. When we deplete F6 again, tab has focus. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with F or F3. This shortcut key is used for open the find bar to search the current page. When we have to find anything, then we use Ctrl with F shortcut key. You can also use F3 to do this. Here we will press Ctrl with F. A find bar has been opened. Whatever you write here, you can find it. We are writing a space here and will find it. Wherever a space is written on the entire web page, it will be shown to us. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with G. This shortcut key is used for jump to the next match to your find bar search. We will find S here. In this, as you press Ctrl with G, the next match will be searched here. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with G. This shortcut key is used for jump to the previous match to your find bar search. Pressing Ctrl Shift with G will show the previous match value. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with J or F12. By using this shortcut, open Developer Tools. This option is mostly used by developer. When we press Ctrl Shift with J, the developer tool is open. In this all the coding of the web page is written. You can also use F12 to open developer tool. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with Delete. This shortcut key opens the clear browser data options. When we press Ctrl Shift with Delete, then clear browser data option is open. From here you can delete the browsing data of the browser. Means the browsing history can be deleted. Next shortcut key is F1. This shortcut key is used for open the Chrome Help Center in a new tab. Next shortcut key is Ctrl Shift with M. By using this, log in a different user a browser as a guest. As soon as you press Ctrl Shift with M, the current user is shown on the browser. Next shortcut key is Alt Shift with I. This shortcut key is used for open feedback form. When we need feedback form, then we can open it by Alt Shift with I shortcut key. You can write here your feedback in this text area and submit it by clicking send. I don't have any feedback right now, so I'm cancel it. Next shortcut key is tab. Tab is used to focus on the next option or field in the current window. As you can see here that when we are pressing the tab, then it gets focus on the next option. Next shortcut key is Shift with Tab. Shift with Tab is used to focus on the previous option or field in the current window. As you can see here that when we are pressing Shift with Tab, then it gets focus on the previous option. Next shortcut key is F7. This option is used for turn on create browsing. See all shortcuts for tab and window so far. We have seen all the shortcuts of the browser feature. Now we will know about all the shortcuts of the address bar, because the next type of shortcut key is address bar shortcuts. When we add the URL of a website on the URL bar, then we put www before the name of the website and .com after the name of the website. But this can also be done by shortcut key. To do this, after typing the name of the website on the URL bar, you have to press Ctrl with Enter. Doing this will add www before the website and .com after the website and open it in current tab. We are writing here SpaceX. Now press Ctrl and Enter. In this website, www and .com got added to site name. Next shortcut key is Alt with Enter. This shortcut key is used for open a new tab and perform a Google search. On the address bar of the current tab, here we search India. Alt with Enter. This search is open in new tab. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with I or Alt with D or F6. This shortcut key is used for jump to the address bar. Pressing Ctrl with I on the current tab will focus on the address bar. To do this, you can use Alt with D. Apart from this, you can also use F6. Next shortcut key is Ctrl K or Ctrl E. By using it, search from anywhere on the page. When we press Ctrl with K, the Google can search on the URL. It can also be done by using Ctrl with E. Next shortcut key is down arrow to highlight and Shift with delete. This shortcut removes prediction from your address bar. For example, I am search some topics on browser. I am searching here google.com. Then I search gmail.com. Now open the next tab and write G here. Prediction show here as soon as we wrote G and it was auto-filled. When we do not enter, it is not confirmed till then. Here google.com show is happening in suggestion and a close symbol show in happening in front of it. If we want to remove this display for suggestion, then we will highlight on google.com by down arrow and press Shift with delete. Now this is deleted. Now write M after G in the search bar. You can see here that the suggestion of gmail.com is being showing here. If we want to delete this suggestion as well, then by passing down arrow, we will highlight gmail.com, then press Shift with delete. Now this is deleted. We have seen all the shortcuts of the address bar. Now we will know about all the next shortcut type. The next type of shortcut key is web page shortcuts. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with P. This shortcut is print the current page on browser. When we press Ctrl with P, then this page starts printing. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with S. This shortcut key is used to save the current page. Currently the tab of SpaceX is open. When we press Ctrl with S, a Save As window will open to save the web page. Enter the name of the file and click on Save. Next shortcut key is F5 or Ctrl with R. F5 shortcut key is used to reload the current page. When we press F5, then this page is reload. We can also Ctrl with R. Next shortcut key is Shift with F5 or Ctrl Shift with R. By using this shortcut, reload the current page. Ignore cached content. If the cache has expired, a new page will be reloaded. If an element of the page has its cache expired, this element will be reloaded. Next shortcut key is Escape. Escape shortcut key is used to stop the page loading. We will open nasa.gov and press the Escape key on the keyboard. This web page stopped loading as soon as press Escape key. Next shortcut key is Tab. Tab is used for browse clickable item move forward. On pressing Tab on the web page, all the clickable items on the browser are moving forward. Next shortcut key is Shift with Tab. Shift with Tab is used for browsing clickable item move backward. On pressing Shift with Tab on the web page, all the clickable items on the browser are moving backward. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with O. Ctrl with O is used for open a file from your computer in Chrome. We will press Ctrl with O. A window has been opened here from which we can select the file and open it on the browser. I will open a new tab. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with U. This shortcut key is used for display non-editable HTML source code for the current page. Press Ctrl with 1 to jump first tab of browser. Now press Ctrl with U. You can see here that a new window has been opened on which the source code of the web page present on the previous tab is being showing here. Now open new tab. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with D. This shortcut key is used for save your current web page as a bookmark. Using a World Wide Web browser, a bookmark is a saved link to a web page that has been added to a list of saved links. When you are looking at a picture, website or home page and want to be able to quickly get back to it later, you can create a bookmark for it. I will tell you two ways to bookmark. We will bookmark a single tab first. We are showing the option to bookmark this page by pressing Ctrl with D. This link will be bookmarked as soon as you click on the button named Done. I will open a new tab. Now the source code of the page is open here. Now we will tell another way to bookmark. We will bookmark all the tabs together. To do this, we will use a shortcut key which is Ctrl Shift with D. Ctrl Shift D is used for save all open tabs as bookmark in a new folder. Here you will see that all the tabs have been bookmarked in this folder. Next shortcut key is F11. F11 is used for turn full screen mode on or off. To make this tab full screen, press F11. If you press F11 again, full screen mode will be turned off. Next shortcut key is Ctrl and plus. Ctrl with plus make everything on the page bigger. When we press Ctrl with plus, the screen size gets bigger, due to which all the content on it gets bigger. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with minus. This shortcut key make everything on the page smaller. When you want to reduce the size of the browser screen, then press Ctrl with minus. Next shortcut key is Shift with scroll. This shortcut key is used for scroll horizontally on the page. I am opening a new tab. Here we will open the site of ISRO. We'll open its image with a new tab. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with 0. Ctrl with 0 is used for reduce everything on the page to default size. On pressing Ctrl with 0, browser screen is reset to default size. Next shortcut key is space or page down. By using space or page down, scroll down a website a screen at a time. Next shortcut key is shift space or page up. By using shift space or page up, scroll up a website a screen at a time. Next shortcut key is home key. This shortcut key is used for go to the top of the page. Scrolling in the tab will come down. Now we want to go to the top. For this, press home key. Next shortcut key is end. End key is used for go to the bottom of the page. Next shortcut key is control with left arrow. By using control with left arrow, move your cursor to bringing of the previous word in a text field. I am opening the last tab. Now let's focus on its URL. We'll press Ctrl with left arrow, that is, the cursor is moving to the left side. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with right arrow. To move it to right side, we will use a shortcut key, and that is Ctrl with right arrow. By using this shortcut, move cursor to the next word. Next shortcut key is Ctrl with backspace. By using Ctrl with backspace, delete the previous word in a text field. We will use it to delete words from URL. Press Ctrl with backspace. The number of times you use it, the words will be deleted from here. Next shortcut key is Alt with Home. Alt with Home is a keyboard shortcut most often used to open the home page in the Active tab. On pressing the Alt with Home key on this tab, it go to the home page. Using this, you can open your home page in current tab. We have seen all the shortcuts of the web page shortcuts. Now we will know about all the next shortcut type. The next type of shortcut is mouse shortcut. With their shortcuts, most of the work is done with the mouse. First mouse shortcut is drag a link to a tab. When you drag any file on browser address bar, then link will open in current tab. I drag and drop this file on URL. So this file is open here. Next mouse shortcut is drag a link to a blank area of the tab. I drop this file on this blank area of tab. This file is open here. Next mouse shortcut is control and click a link. With their shortcut, most of the work is done with the mouse. When we want to open link in new tab, then press Ctrl and click it. When any link has to be opened in a new tab, then press Ctrl and click on link. This link will open in new tab. Currently I am click on Dragon link. This link is open in new tab. Next mouse shortcut is shift and click a link. When we want to open a link in new window, then we use it. We will click on the link bar again, but this time we will press shift first and then click on the link. Now this link is open in a new window. Next mouse shortcut is drag the tab out of the tab strip. This mouse shortcut is used to open a tab in a new window. Next mouse shortcut is drag the tab into an exist window. When we want to move a tab to current window, to do this, drag the tab and place the another window. Next shortcut is escape while dragging. This shortcut is used for return a tab to its original position. When do we use this shortcut? When we are moving a tab and place it at its original position. By using all their shortcuts, you can save your time and efforts. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.